This is the first time I asked for help. For a month, it had just been a floor. And a month into this was a week, the shape shoved up. Walls, trusses, the skeleton of a building. This is also the week I stopped pretending I could do it all alone. The walls get built on the floor. You measure them flat, and you lift them up. Off on the deck, off at the roofline. We moved faster than I would have alone, slower than she would have without me. And then I put up the last wall. Each truss has to match the last one within a millimeter. The first one is the hardest. Everything after lines up to it. "14 of these, each one felt like the first one. A month ago, this was just screws in the ground. Now, it has a shape. No one told me it would feel like this. A month ago, I didn't know what a choice was. I still don't know a lot. But I know more than I did in episode 1. I've been doing this alone. I asked for help this once, because I couldn't have gotten those walls up on my own. That's not a failure. That's just what it costs to build something. Next week I'm alone again, on a roof. I'm so happy that I started this project, with no knowledge. I just learn as I go, and that's the fun part of it. So if you want to follow my journey, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you have some suggestions or just some feedback to me. I would really appreciate it. See you in the next one.